Um, Dear Mustafa, my dear friend, and my dear friends of our new generation party. Uh, Today I would like to give you a very important instruction. See, dear Mustafa, already I have given you the instruction that every one of you, those who are in the executive committee, that is, those who are in the group admin of the open page, in particular the general secretary and all other secretaries, including the general secretary of the youth wing, you should create email ID. As I told you already, only two have created. One is Dr. Syed has created for Maharashtra, and Mr. Manoj has created for Madhya Pradesh. So everyone should create one email ID, as I have already directed you, with your state name. For General Secretary, it should be just as General Secretary. For Youth Wing Secretary, just as Youth Wing Secretary. So these email IDs are very important. With them, you have to correspond to the respective counterpart in the government for you. Okay, that is one thing. And you have to keep track and record of what you are complaining and what they are responding, how they are responding. They may not even directly respond to you, but you have to refer the newspaper. If the problem has been rectified, you can leave it. If the problem continues, you have to further and further give reminders to them through your email ID. Okay, that is one thing. Another thing, with your email ID, for every state, there should be a YouTube channel. For the General Secretary alone, there should be a YouTube channel. And for the State Secretary, General Secretary of Youth Wing, for Vamshi also, there should be a separate YouTube channel linked to your email ID. What you are creating for the party, that has to be linked to a YouTube channel. For that channel, how you should name? How you should name? You have to name it as the New Generation Party - General Secretary, or General Secretary New Generation Party. No, New Generation Party would be better. New Generation Party - General Secretary. That is one channel. Okay. Same way, New Generation Party Maharashtra, New Generation Party Madhya Pradesh, New Generation Party Kerala, New Generation Party Karnataka, New Generation Party Manipur, New Generation Party Andhra Pradesh, New Generation Party Telangana. So in this way, New Generation Party Tamil Nadu. So in this way, you have to create YouTube channel also in your respective email ID. This is very important. With your respective email ID, you have to create a Twitter account. With your respective email ID, you have to create a Facebook also. So these accounts should be there. Very important is the email ID and the email ID linked YouTube channel. Okay. In that you post the videos whichever I suggest in your language, regional language. You have to speak as I am speaking to you. So General Secretary should speak to the entire country in Hindi. I know only English and Tamil, so I will speak to Mr. Mustafa in English. He has to translate it and speak with his face to the country, entire country. In his YouTube channel, he has to speak the name of New Generation Party General Secretary. In that YouTube channel, he has to speak. Whatever I speak in English, he has to show his face and speak in Hindi. All those who know Hindi will take it directly from him. And those who do not know Hindi and those who are very talented in the regional language, they should pick up this same message, what I speak in English, what Mr. Mustafa speaks in Hindi, in their respective language. So for that, all the state secretaries should speak in their YouTube channel what I speak in English, what is translated in Hindi by Mustafa in their regional language. For example, Mr. Hayakib should speak in Manipuri, and Achu should speak in Malayalam, and Rakshit should speak in Kannada, and for Telangana friend, editor Vijay should speak in Telugu, and Changaya should speak in Telugu, and our friend Mohandas, Tamil Nadu State Secretary, should speak in Tamil. So this way my speech should be translated into regional languages with your face. For the entire country, it should be spoken in Hindi by our General Secretary, Mohammad Mustafa. This is my plan. If you speak in this way, this will reach to all the corners of our country through the regional, through the state secretaries in their respective language. Whatever I speak in English, that will reach everybody in the corner of our country in their regional language, in their respective mother tongue. This is my idea. When we reach them in their mother tongue, our idea, our thoughts, and our protests and our programs will reach everybody in their regional language. People will understand what we do. People will understand what we speak. So a change will come. So this is my first plan. So please try to execute it within 1 week. First create an email ID as I directed you, how Dr. Syed and Mr. Manoj have already created, and link it with the YouTube channel. That YouTube channel should be named as New Generation Party in your regional language and or in English. That should be added with your state name. Okay, in that way you create the channel. Slowly it will pick up momentum. Number of subscribers will slowly increase. So post interesting news in that YouTube channel. Interesting matter, just only politics that is related to our ideas, the 3 ideas. Okay, corruption, against caste and religious disparities, against violence. Post videos, slowly propagate our messages in your regional languages. Even if I don't speak anything, if you pick up something, you speak in your own YouTube channel. How I speak, you also speak in your own YouTube channel. Create momentum for our party. Make our party known to everybody. So this is what I would like to suggest. So this is my second instruction. First instruction, first create email ID. Second instruction, create YouTube channel and propagate our messages. Whatever I speak in Hindi, English, that should be translated by Mr. Mustafa, the General Secretary. It should be spoken to the entire country in Hindi. He has to address the entire country. Okay, and the regional state secretaries should translate it in their respective mother tongue, and that should be spoken in their YouTube channel with their face. How I am speaking now, you know my face. Likewise, the entire country should know the face of Mohammad Mustafa, the General Secretary. Every state should know the face of the state secretary of our New Generation Party with their language. So this is my plan. Please try to execute within 1 month. Okay. Shiv Om.